Good morning, students. Welcome to our grammar session. Our today's topic is degrees of comparison. Children, look at these plants. Can you tell the difference between the three plants? We see that this plant is tall. The one next to it is taller. And the other one is the tallest of them all. Here, the adjective tall, taller and tallest are used to compare the three plants. Sometimes we want to compare things, person, animal or places. For such comparisons, we use different form of adjectives. These different form of adjectives are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. That is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let us first learn about positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective is used to simply describe a person, place, animal or thing. No comparison is made in positive degree. For example, she has big house. Here, big is the positive or the simplest form of the adjective. The adjective big is used to describe the noun house. It is not used for comparison. Now, let us learn about comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare only 2 things, people, animals or places. Usually, the comparative degree of an adjective is formed by adding er to the adjective. Comparative form is always followed by than, than, than. For example, her house is bigger than my house. Here, the adjective bigger is the comparative form of the adjective big. The word bigger is formed by adding er to the adjective big. It is used to compare 2 houses. Also, we can observe that bigger is followed by than. Now, let us learn about the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 things, people, animals or places. Usually, the superlative degree is formed by adding est to the adjective. We always use the, the before the superlative degree. For example, his house is the biggest of all. Here, the adjective biggest is the superlative form of the adjective big. The word biggest is formed by adding est to the adjective big. It is used to compare more than 2 houses. Also note, the is used before the superlative degree. Now, let us see some rules to be followed for the formation of comparative and superlative degree. Most of adjectives form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est at the end of that positive word or that adjective. See some example of this. Tall, taller, tallest. Now take a look at this positive word tall. In comparative degree, what have we done? We take this word tall as it is and we add er to the end of that word. Similarly, in superlative degree, we take this word tall and add est at the end of that word. Understood? Let's see some more examples. Small, smaller, smallest. Great, greater, greatest. Young, younger, youngest. Long, longer, longest. Strong, stronger, strongest. High, higher, highest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Fast, faster, fastest. Black, blacker, blackest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Clear, clearer, clearest. Cold, colder, coldest. Dark, darker, darkest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Long, longer, longest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Rich, richer, richest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Soft, softer, softest. Let's see next rule. When a positive word ends with E, we add R to the comparative degree and ST to the superlative degree. Let's see example. Brave, braver, bravest. In this word, the last letter is E. So we are going to add R in comparative degree. Similarly, in superlative degree, we are going to add ST. Let's see some more example. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Nice, nicer, nicest. White, whiter, whitest. Brave, braver, bravest. Close, closer, closest. Dense, denser, densest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Pure, purer, purest. Able, abler, ablest. Understood? Now let's move to the next rule. When a positive word ends with Y and preceded by consonant, then Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. Now let's see some examples. Happy, happier, happiest. See here, at the end of this word, there is a letter Y and preceded by consonant P. So, at that time, what we have to do is, we have to omit this Y and instead of this Y, we have to add I. Let's see some more example. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Holy, holier, holiest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Costly, costlier, costliest. Dry, drier, driest. Understood? Let's move to the next part. When a positive word ends in a single consonant preceded by a vowel, this consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. Let's see some example for this. Big, bigger, biggest. Now, in this word, last letter is a consonant, that is G, which is followed by vowel I. So that last letter, we double that letter. We use double form. See some more example. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Red, redder, reddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Fit, fitter, fittest. Slim, slimmer, slimmest. Understood? Now let's move to the next part. Adjectives of more than one syllables form the comparative and superlative degree by putting more and most before the positive word. Let's see some example. Active, more active, most active. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Useful, more useful, most useful. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Important, more important, most important. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Afraid, more afraid, most afraid. Careless, more careless, most careless. Cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Fruitful, more fruitful, most fruitful. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Honest, more honest, most honest. Jealous, more jealous, most jealous. Precious, more precious, most precious. Probable, more probable, most probable. Profound, more profound, most profound. Pleasant, more pleasant, most pleasant. Valuable, more valuable, most valuable. Remarkable, more remarkable, most remarkable. Now let's move to the last part. Irregular adjectives. The following adjectives are compared irregular adjectives. So generally in positive, comparative and superlative, the word completely differs. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Or you can say many, more, most. Far, further, furthest. Now there is no rule for this because these are irregular words. I hope you might have understand this. Now let's have one small exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate degrees of comparison with the help of adjectives in the bracket. First one, this is the dash price I can take for this dress, and the adjective given in the bracket is little. Children, remember we use the before the superlative degree. So in this sentence, the is used, correct? So the answer is superlative degree. So what will be the answer? Yes, correct. This is the least price I can take for this dress. Second one, this is the dash flower I have ever seen. And the word given in the bracket is pretty. So the answer is the prettiest flower. Third one, this is the dash of my two sons. And the adjective given in the bracket is old. So what is the answer? The oldest of my two sons. Fourth one, lead is the dash of all metals. Adjective given in the bracket is heavy. So what is the answer? The heaviest of all metals. Fifth one, he was the dash man in the world. And the word given in the bracket is happy. So the answer is the happiest man. Sixth one, iron is dash than any other metal. Children, remember we use than in comparative degree, correct? So the answer is more useful. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Seventh one, Sushil is the dash boy in the class. The, right? So the laziest boy. Eighth one, which is the dash mountain in the world? And the word given in the bracket is high. So the answer is the highest mountain. Ninth one, your essay is dash, mine is dash, his is dash of all. And the word given in the bracket is bad. So do you know this is irregular adjectives? So the answer is your essay is bad, mine is worse, his is worst of all. 10th one, he is the dash boy of the two, and the word given in the bracket is good. Once again, this is irregular adjective. So the answer is the best boy. 11th one, of the two apples, this is the dash one, and the word given in the bracket is large. So the answer is the largest one. Last one, that is 12th one. Health is dash then wealth, and the word given is important. As you can see, than is used. So the answer is comparative degree, correct? So what is the answer? Health is more important than wealth.